Good morning, 5th grade. And Remus says hello too. Say good morning, Lizard. So, today's Asynchronous Wednesday like every other Wednesday, and I'm going to give you just a quick rundown of what we're doing today. So, first things first, I'm going to head over to the class. Right now I'm in 400, but you can do it if you are in 400 or 113. So, for social studies today, you can see at the top of the page there's an asynchronous work tab. Under the first tab is what to do. So the first things first, CNN 10. Click into the CNN 10 link. You're going to watch, you're going to record the videos for today, the topics, and then you're going to write a fact about each of the different topics that come up. Second, what I would like you to do is read slide number 7 and 15 on the Teach Me. So when you click into the Teach Me, there's going to be 2 slides. They're both about people from the era. And then you're going to fill out about Bartolome de las Casas and Pocahontas. You're going to write 2 facts about each person, and you're going to answer the final question that's on theirs. So, what that means is right over here, you're going to click where write 2 facts, double click in the box. All you need to do is press enter to start a new fact, and you're going to answer the questions down here at the bottom. And then the last thing I want you guys to do is just catch up on work. If your vocab slides, if you have slides where you don't have the definition, sentence, or picture put in, you need to catch up on that. Right now it's at 91 points. Come the end of the week, it's probably going to be over 100. So take your time, go through this, and make sure you have everything you need to have. If you have any questions today, please don't hesitate to ask. I'm here to help you.